Hi, this is Merrick from NVT Phybridge, and I am here to ask and answer one simple question. Can I use the CLEER24-10G without SFP or SFP Plus modules? The trick is to use the management port as an uplink port. Understand that this should be a temporary measure while you purchase an SFP or SFP Plus module. The use of an SFP or SFP Plus module will make sure your bandwidth requirements are fully taken care of. You can do this by changing the VLANs on the management port to the uplink ports. Write the commands: configure terminal, interface gigabit Ethernet 1/25, switch port access VLAN 1. If you would ever like to reverse this, use the commands configure terminal, interface gigabit Ethernet 1/25, switch port access VLAN 1001.